Think it and sink it.
This time I didn't feel very sure about it.
That's literally the default person. I literally did nothing except for maybe change the pose.
There he is. There he is. So, woke up this morning to a text from my roommate. She picked up her boyfriend from the airport last night. He was visiting family, and he woke up with 101 fever at our place. So I'm gonna be staying at Matt's place for the time being. I'm pretty bummed that I can't like spend this time like at my place. Like, I don't know, just like the comforts of home, and I have a balcony, but I'm also like lucky to like have a friend to spend this with at all, when like a lot of people don't, and like if you live alone, you're just like alone. So I guess I should be grateful for that, but I am like pretty sad that I can't be at home.
I think that's what doesn't even happen.
Yeah.
You can be sad and happy at the same time.
Mhm. You're like a white ghost. We repotted these babies yesterday. This guy that I got for Matt, and then I got him this for Christmas. So we finally repotted them into new pots, and they look very cute.
Alright, it's on.
I'm really glad we found this game. These are the only types of games that I like. We got Switch online, so if you want to play, let us know.
Which is really crazy. I don't exactly know how it works.
See, why did I get the blocks?
I don't know, I'm trying to...
Oh, you're way beating me. That's why.
I don't know, in the last interview ago I was just saying I would love to like Daisy Lowe, but I'm happy with how I look. Equally, I don't want to use this as an example of how young girls.
Wait, show me what you're working on.
I'm drawing Kirby, so I was playing Kirby earlier. And I thought it would be fun. I'm still working on it though, but...
Oh. We should have. On this edition of It's Done, Matt teaches us how to make the best falafel salad ever.
First, preheat the oven, 350 degrees. I use these Trader Joe's falafels that I think are pretty decent. So I set these up to go first. And then you can kind of make the rest of it while it cooks. Lettuce, some sort of olive ingredient I use all tapenade, feta cheese, red onion. This is only partially still going. Hummus. I like the Mediterranean style. I feel like it works better for this.
And we reuse the containers from the hummus as like, you know, storage containers for
also
other
good
stuff.
heck. These are good reusable Ziploc bags also.
Yep.
Oregano and pepper. Usually I would use some sort of tzatziki sauce, but I don't have that, so we all gotta make sacrifices, I guess. Balsamic vinaigrette I usually put some of that into. This is probably all you really need, honestly, but partially took it my mom's Greek salad recipe, and I mixed it with some other things and kind of made it my own thing. A very easy staple to make all the time, and I know that you like it, so good for both of us. Oven is preheated. I'll put these in. I do like 15 minutes. They're not super crisp, but I feel like that's usually when my patience runs out. I'm cutting the lettuce. Small-ish strips I find works better for like mixing everything together. I usually just do like one head of romaine. And I kind of just like cut it down the middle, just to like make them a little bit smaller.
It's a good tip.
Drop it all in, and like separate it out as you go. Oh, usually I would also put cherry tomatoes in, but I don't have any of those. So this spoon's gonna be a little bit less than usual. Usually I do the tomatoes, we'll do the onion now. I just kind of chop it haphazardly, all enough that it doesn't overpower everything. Make sure everything's not sticking together.
This salad has magical properties. Once when I was really sick, I didn't eat anything for like 2 days, and then Matt like brought this salad over to me, and for the first time in like 48 hours I like sat up and my eyes were wide and bright. And the salad healed me. This is like my favorite thing to eat, so. I'm trying to like get your head in front of this light so that it's like blocking it. No, like more that way. There.
Okay. I kind of just take
it's like you have like a little aura around you. Like
took
the
a
depictions of the
forkful-
saints.
Take like a decent amount of hummus. I
Okay,
just kind
that's
of
bad.
flop it in. Find the hummus kind of helps bind everything together. I'd also put the tzatziki in here at this point, and I feel like they're usually about the same amount. Throw some olive tapenade in. Kind of same thing, I just take like 1 fork's worth maybe, or maybe a little bit extra. I feel like a little bit goes a long way.
What olive tapenade are you using?
I'm using Trader Joe's olive tapenade with Kalamata and Chakidi.
Let's see it.
Chakidiki?
Oh, it's so pretty. I love
Chakadiki?
the packaging.
Yeah, pretty good. I also used a different one from Safeway before that was pretty good, I thought. But this one has more like actual chunks in it, so if that's what you're after. Where the other one was more of a spread, I guess.
You're such a natural cooking video person.
This is my new calling. I just kind of shake some feta cheese in. This is my favorite ingredient. Next, some oregano, pepper, this is definitely something I got from my mom's recipes. Balsamic. It's kind of like a dash. Is that a dash? I don't know. I just kind of mix it all together. It really isn't anything crazy. I feel like it's up to whatever you want in terms of amounts and whatnot. So that's the lion's share of it.
Look at that beautiful salad-y footage.
And then I usually will just put everything away while we're cooking. I will see you when the falafels are cooked. Okay. Falafels are ready. Turn this off. Turn this off. Then I just kind of grab them. They're not too hot. Cut them like 6 pieces ish. Then all you gotta do after this is mix it up and you're good to go. And then I find with this, it's usually about 2 bowls worth, and maybe you get a little extra, depending on how big your portions are. But I find it's a good size for a meal for 2.
Maybe say it after you put it in the bowls in like a cute little chef way, holding 1 bowl in each hand.
Okay.
Yay!
And we're done. It's done.
You came up with the catchphrase!
It's been a while.
No, you gotta say it again. I can't cut around that.
It's done.
This chocolate bar that I got Matt for his birthday is so good. So good. So that was today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay well, be safe, find things to do and learn, and yeah, ways to use this time to do all the things that we always want to have more time to do, you know? Bye.